Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer cryptocurrencies to your Binance wallet from an external cryptocurrency exchange or a wallet. So over here, you can see that I'm in my Binance application and I'm going to click over here on this wallets button. And now since we are trying to deposit cryptocurrencies into our Binance wallet, we can go ahead and click deposit. And of course, we are going to deposit cryptocurrencies. We're not going to deposit fiat currencies. And in case if you're interested in knowing how to deposit fiat currencies into your Binance platform, I have done a tutorial showing you how you can wire transfer your funds into your Binance account. You can access that tutorial by clicking on the link that you're seeing on the top right corner of the screen. However, in this tutorial, we are going to limit ourselves just to cryptocurrencies. So we can click over here, or it's already being selected, depositing crypto assets. And from here, you have to select what kind of a cryptocurrency that you're trying to deposit into your Binance wallet. So in my case, I'm trying to deposit BUSD, Binance USD, which is a famous stable coin. So I'm just going to go ahead and search BUSD. And just keep in mind that the network that you're selecting over here needs to be specified accurately in the external wallet or the crypto exchange that you are trying to transfer BUSD out from. For example, if you think that you would like to select the Binance Chain, which is the BEP2 network, and in case if your external cryptocurrency exchange or the wallet is not supporting this BEP2, then you won't be able to proceed further with your transaction. So it's always a good idea to check beforehand what kind of networks are actually supported by both the platforms. In this case, we can clearly see that 3 networks are actually being supported by the Binance exchange for depositing BUSD. So in this case, I'm going to select BEP2 network, which is the Binance chain. And after that, we'll head over to the external cryptocurrency exchange and we'll also have a look to see whether BEP2 is actually supported for my withdrawal over there as well. So once I select BEP2, you will see that we will get these 2 important things. We will get the wallet address as well as a memo. So this is actually your unique wallet address that you should use, first of all, if you are trying to deposit Binance USD, and second, if you are using the Binance chain, because this wallet address is actually going to be different in case if you are using a different blockchain or a different network. So just keep that in mind, and along with that you will also have a memo which you will need to enter at the other end when you're trying to withdraw BUSD from the external crypto exchange. Alright guys, so for this tutorial my external crypto exchange is going to be FTX exchange, which is also another very famous crypto exchange in the cryptocurrency space. So over here in my FTX wallet, you can see that my current balance is about $610 US, and I'm going to withdraw Binance USD. So I'm going to click over here on BUSD, and here you can see a very clear indication on what is being supported by FTX. And surprisingly enough, FTX is also actually supporting the same 3 networks that are being supported by Binance. So in this case, I won't face any issues when it comes to selecting the same network, which was BEP2 in my case. So the amount that I'm going to transfer is just around 420 BUSD. I'm not going to transfer out everything. So you can specify that over here. And now you can see that it's asking the corresponding Binance USD address. And what you can do is you can head over to your Binance application and just click this wallet address and paste it over here. And along with that, you will have to copy and paste the memo as well. It's a small code. And right over here under withdrawal method, you have to select Binance Chain BEP2. And finally, I'm going to enter my Google authentication code as well. And with that, I can initiate the withdrawal process. As you can see, FTX is actually not charging me any fee for this withdrawal. In that sense, FTX is actually one of the few convenient exchanges where they do not really charge any fees for most of the networks. And even if you use the ERC20 network, they're actually going to charge you only a fraction of the fee. So along with Binance, FTX is also actually one of the exchanges that I can recommend to you guys in case if you need a recommendation. And after I have confirmed that everything is in order, I can click over here on this withdraw button for this withdrawal to get initiated. And just in a matter of few minutes, you will be able to see that your funds have arrived in your Binance Spot wallet. Over here, you can see now your BUSD balance is 420. So you guys can see that the process was fairly simple. And with that, we are going to conclude this tutorial. If you do have any questions, you can add a comment down below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And we would really appreciate if you guys show your support by hitting that like button. And if you would like to be notified when we upload a new video instantly, you can consider subscribing to this channel as well. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. I'll see you again with another video very soon.